There's nothing more important than keeping your baby healthy, happy, and warm. Finding the right heater for a nursery can help you care for your child without burning money and heating your whole house. A good nursery space heater has 3 important traits: safety, safety, and safety. That's why these heaters are our top recommendations. There are many products available to choose from, best heaters for baby rooms, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best heaters for baby rooms from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bravado Tempa Nursery Heater. On top of all these impressive features, the Tempa is also specifically designed as a rounded, edge-free object. There are no sharp corners to hurt small children. The fan is firmly protected, so there's no way to risk something being hit by a fan blade. The Tempa is an electric heater, which works by heating an element and blowing that hot air around the room. That leaves its only downside to be that it takes a while to heat a room. Once the heater is turned off, it stops producing heat immediately. This makes the Tempa slightly less energy efficient than some other models, but it's safer. This model has been specifically designed for use in children's rooms and nurseries. It can gently circulate the heat while staying quiet, and it has 2 settings for heat. There are cord storage and the child lock that makes it safe and secure. It also has a 5-year guarantee, and this model would be straightforward to use. Number 2. DeLonghi Oil-Filled Radiator Space Heater. The DeLonghi Radiator Space Heater is a great option for a larger nursery. This oil-filled heater is built radiator style, offering a large amount of surface area to heat even big rooms or very cold spaces. Plus, oil-filled heaters remain warm for a long time even after they stop using electricity. If you need to run a heater constantly, the DeLonghi radiator is one of the most energy-efficient options available. The DeLonghi radiator has some convenient safety features to make life as a new parent easier. The heater has wheels, so it can easily be rolled away and stored when it's not needed. The power cord is retractable, so there is no risk of tripping on messy wires. The auto-off features turn the heater off the second it senses that it has gotten too warm, keeping your family safe. The one downside of the DeLonghi radiator is that it can get hot to the touch. Number 3. Stiebel Ultron Wall-Mounted Electric Fan Heater. If you have a child that's always reaching for things, you may not want a heater that lives on the floor. The Stiebel wall-mounted electric fan heater can help keep your curious little one from burning themselves or pressing buttons they shouldn't. The wall-mounted design can easily warm a room while staying safely out of reach. The Stiebel electric fan heater has a sleek design that won't distract from the rest of the nursery's decor. It's easy to mount and easy to use, with a simple built-in thermostat to help keep temperatures right where you want them. There's also an onboard 60-minute timer that lets you warm up the room just before bed without keeping it on all night. This model also boasts a whisper-quiet fan, so it will never wake up even the lightest of sleeping babies. Combined with its ease of use, the Stiebel Ultron wall-mounted heater is perfect for protective but tired new parents. Number 4. HeatStorm HS1000WX Wi-Fi Infrared Wall Heater. Having kids makes life more complicated. The HeatStorm infrared wall heater makes things a little simpler. This wall-mounted heater is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to turn it on and off and adjust the temperature from anywhere. This gives you the chance to program the heater and then never worry about it again. The wall-mounted nature of the heater helps keep it out of reach of small children. This, combined with the infrared heat, keeps rooms warm without ever risking a burn. Best of all, this heater can handle rooms up to 500 square feet, keeping even the largest nursery comfortable all winter long. This heater does involve some setup because it needs to be mounted and connected to your Wi-Fi. However, once it's up and running, it's a simple, low-stress heater that's super safe. Number 5. Bravado Oscillating Space Heater. Tower heaters offer a lot of heat without taking up a lot of floor space. The Bravado Oscillating Space Heater is a great choice for heating a room quickly and efficiently. In fact, it has an Amazon Choice Award for being the best comfort zone heater available. With a convenient included remote and important safety features, a tip-over sensor and an overheating auto-off function, this heater is a great choice for nurseries. The ceramic heating element helps heat the room thoroughly without wasting electricity. The oscillating tower blows warm air around the room, avoiding pockets of cold. Meanwhile, the cool touch casing helps keep this tower safe around your little ones. This heater includes an 8-hour timer, so you can run it all night without having to turn it off in the morning. Finally, the included eco mode helps you save energy while keeping the nursery at the perfect temperature. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.